Cheetah Craft right now, a breezy start to our Tuesday.
Oh yeah, we're under a wind advisory. This doesn't happen all the time. That wind advisory continues through the afternoon. And I mean, if you look around, you can see now we're not from Cleveland at 10 miles per hour, Tomball at 9 miles per hour. Yes, you'll notice the winds this morning, but I'm really talking from Galveston, Angleton, Palacios this morning, even including Sugar Land, sustained winds between 20 and 30 miles per hour. That is really on the windy side. You're going to have to hold on to the steering wheels, hold on to your hats this morning. It's going to be breezy all throughout the day today, so winds will be an issue and probably the main talker for our weather forecast here for our Tuesday, maybe even lingering into our Wednesday forecast as well. You see that camera lens just bouncing back and forth? That's the wind this morning. Clouds in place. Clouds continue, about a 30% chance for a few showers to an isolated thunderstorm this afternoon. Even from the Galleria, we're talking sustained winds around 16 miles per hour out of the south, pumping the atmosphere high and full of humidity. So high pressure continues to build. This will also be the big talker here over the next several days. This begins today, lasts through the upcoming weekend. So it gets hot and gets even hotter for your Memorial weekend. So even into Thursday, we get clockwise flow around high pressure. That is what's going to keep our winds on the breezy side and predominantly out of the south. Now, as we trend towards Memorial Day, high temperatures build back to the mid to low 90s. I'm expecting partly cloudy skies. Today will be our last rain chance over almost the next 10 days. That ridge of high pressure really going to limit any rain that we could potentially see. It's going to keep the humidity high, so maybe a 10% chance for a stray shower, but otherwise, Steph, the mid to low 90s I'm expecting, yeah, it'll be feeling more like 100. So just like yesterday, it's really going to be on the humid side every single day.
Oh my gosh, yeah, it looks like it, Cheetah. All right, let's take